Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all your reposts on TikTok at once. Let's get started. At the time of recording, TikTok doesn't actually have a built-in feature that lets you remove all reposts in one click. Right now, the only option is to go through them one by one and delete them manually. But I'll show you a way to contact TikTok support so you can request bulk removal. First, open TikTok on your device and head over to your profile page by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then, tap the three lines in the top right corner and go to Settings and Privacy. From there, scroll down until you find the Support section and tap on Report a Problem. Once you're on that page, scroll all the way down and select the option that lets you start a live chat or send a message to TikTok support. In your message, you can write something simple like, "Hi, can you please help me delete all of my reposts at once?" After sending it, you'll usually get a reply that says something like, "Thanks for your feedback. We'll consider this feature in the future." That basically means it's not possible yet, but they've logged your request. So for now, the only way is to delete reposts individually. To do that, just go to the repost you want to remove, tap the share arrow, and then tap on Remove Repost. You'll have to repeat this for each repost you want to delete. I know it's not the quickest method, but until TikTok adds a bulk delete option, this is the only way. So that's how you can delete all your reposts on TikTok, either one by one or by contacting support to request a faster solution.